You're starting a brand new nonprofit to get your business going, and you buy yourself and your employees new laptops. Suddenly your computer starts acting up, and the keyboard periodically stops working. What do you do next? Do you look for someone for support? Or do you try to fix it yourself? Now, I want you to shift your thought and think about the largest tech companies in the world. How did they go from being just a startup to growing into being such a successful icon? I'll tell you what they didn't do. They didn't waste their energy trying to fix laptops. The role of IT typically does this type of work, and even the largest tech companies outsource it to a managed services provider or an MSP such as Capital Techies. I am the service desk manager. I'm also in tech, where our MSP Capital Techies support some of the largest companies in Washington, D.C., Virginia, Maryland, and the USA. In this video, I will cover 3 things. What exactly is an MSP? One of the top challenges the IT leaders face today. And what are the benefits of using an MSP to support your IT? So what is an MSP? Let's go back to our laptop keyboard. How do you think you could fix it? Is there someone that you can call? Can you email someone for support? Or you can chat live with an agent online. If these services sound familiar to you or you used them in the past, you'd most likely use services provided by an IT department. An MSP essentially runs the IT department, and they provide you with the people, the process, and the technology that gives you access to the expertise and tools that enable it. They provide you with cost-effective solutions that help you stay within your budget. But why would you need an MSP? So let's talk about the top challenges the IT leaders face today. The first challenge is changing technology. Technology is changing at a rapid rate. And with the advancement of this technology, it's changing the way companies are beginning to operate. When you're seeing more and more companies about the remote and mobile workforce, allowing your employees to work from home. And there's an upside. 66% of managers have claimed that their employees are more productive while working from home. Now imagine when they have an issue with their laptop. How do they fix it? If your IT is not prepared to support them, that would negatively impact your employees' productivity and your company's performance. In addition to the growth of the data, technology is also changing how its leaders should make decisions. They need to shift towards a more analytical approach and make data-driven decisions. But figuring out the right tools to collect and analyze that data will be a challenge. The next challenge is spending wisely. Staying current with the technology is difficult, but determining which technology to buy is even more challenging. And since only 33% of it is spent on technology. Even after purchasing new technology, you still need to worry about the cost of defining a new process and finding the right people to use and manage that technology. So is it better to hire new or to outsource? You must be mindful of how you spend and determine the right solutions to give you the best return on your investment. The last challenge is optimizing the customer experience. Think back at dial-up internet, or even we get to way more than 10 seconds for web page load. Technology is getting faster, and that's making people more and more impatient with how that technology is delivered to them. Leaders need to know how to keep the customers happy and what to do to optimize this experience. Capital Techies, an MSP, can help you overcome these challenges. But what are the benefits? One key advantage you get from using an MSP is you get to have peace of mind. You no longer have to worry about it. So when problems arise, you can be assured that the Capital Techies, voted the best MSP in Washington, D.C., will handle all of it. This allows you to shift your focus back to your core business. Companies should be the best at what they do. So if you're starting a brand new nonprofit company, you should focus on being the best nonprofit and mission. Not the best in IT, but you want the best IT services. So it would be best if you outsourced that function to an MSP. Another critical benefit is scalability. For rapidly growing companies, supporting their IT becomes exponentially more complex. MSPs are responsive to your company's needs and can help boost your IT as your company grows. A significant value that MSP brings. The table is their ability to hire new people and to hire them quickly. They provide you with a range of services, making you better prepared for changes in the future. They offer cost-effective solutions and allow you to pay for what you need when you need them. And 46% of companies using an MSP had claimed they had reduced their annual cost by 25%. The last key benefit is automation. Human error accounts for roughly 25% of all IT incidents. When MSP brings to the table are analytical tools to help you track these incidents and help you develop automated solutions that prevent issues from happening again in the future. So here's an example. Imagine if you get to pay your credit card bill, you now face late fees, which causes you to take more money out of your pocket. To solve this issue, you set up an automatic payment plan. This ensures that your payments are paid on time, every time. And by having this automated solution, you've now prevented late fees from happening again. The same logic applies when using an MSP, where they can help you save money and time through automation. With these IT challenges are in line. You can see why an MSP like Capital Techies can be a crucial component of your company's success. And MSP will partner with you to help take you to the next phase of your company. You don't need to worry about being the best in it. Consider outsourcing the best IT services so that you can have peace of mind, become more scalable, and drive automation, allowing you to focus on growing and improving your core business. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to learn more about managed services, please visit www.capitaltechies.com or call us at 5719826000.